HP 14 Laptop 2024. HP 14. Powerful performance. The Intel Core i5-1335U processor offers various computing needs. With a 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD and 8GB of DDR4-3200 MHz RAM, it ensures swift responsiveness and ample storage capacity. Smooth multitasking and responsiveness. With 4 cores and 8 threads, it boasts a base frequency of 1.8 GHz, up to 4.2 GHz with turbo boost, providing smooth multitasking and responsiveness for various applications. Explore the 8GB RAM, providing smooth multitasking and responsiveness for seamless computing experience, allowing you to tackle various tasks with ease and efficiency. Intel Iris Xe graphics. Full-size, soft gray keyboard. Display 35.6 cm, 14, diagonal, FHD, 1920x1080, micro edge, anti-glare, 250 nits, 45% NTSC. Screen-to-body ratio, without speakers, 84.01%. Color gamut 45% NTSC. Brightness 250 nits. Battery type 3 cell, 41 Wh Li-ion polymer. Battery life up to 9 hours. Battery recharge time supports battery fast charge, approximately 50% in 45 minutes. Wireless Realtek Wi-Fi 6, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.3 wireless card, supporting gigabit data rate. Camera HP True Vision 1080p FHD camera with temporal noise reduction and integrated dual-array digital microphones. Audio dual speakers.